everyone. You might be wondering why I'm so low right now. So this is my third time recording this video. First time we had a little makeup mishap because of this contouring thing. And I had to wash my face, wash my beauty blender and start from square one. Today I'm actually gonna do contouring. Blending is the magic, people. Okay guys, you've done a terrible job here and my entire face looks like I don't know. Ew. I have to wash my entire face and do it again. Second time I was recording and then my camera just shut automatically and the entire video got deleted. So I'm loving my luck right now, but it's my third time recording and I'm thinking we don't need an intro right now, it's fine. What's happening basically is I'm getting ready for my Holi Party, which I've organized at my own house. My friends will be coming in very soon because I started doing this more than 45 minutes ago, but it's not our lucky day today and we're gonna accept that and move on. It's fine. I feel like I'm complaining a lot, but I don't think people would want to watch me rant. So we'll just do our makeup, have a little nice friendly chat, and then I'll show you how the entire house looks like, what I've prepared, and then show you how the party went. Guys, this color corrector can make all the difference in your face because my chin is a little dark and my forehead is a little dark. So if I do not put this, my skin tone will look very uneven and we do not want that. So if you do have dark spots, I would highly recommend putting in an orange color corrector. Very important. Okay. Guys, I cannot tell you how exhausted I am. I have been literally making food, cleaning my house since morning. I actually moved to a different apartment in this very building a couple of months ago because we were told to. They had to do some construction work in our apartment, so we had to move to an entirely new apartment, shift literally all our stuff. And then we moved back recently and this house was a mess. And we had to put everything together and my entire makeup area where I'm filming right now was also a mess. So I literally cleaned everything this morning to make this video and to not look messy in front of my friends. And I had to clean my entire wardrobe and fix my hair, clothes. And it was a lot of work. And I haven't even eaten a lot since morning. So I'm not really sure what I'm up to. I have to quickly get ready and then put a little, I don't know what I'm saying. Do you guys like Holi though? And for people who do not know what Holi is a Hindu festival which is very, very big in India. And we play with colors and it's a symbol of triumph of good over evil. It's a very happy occasion where we just dress white, play with colors, and celebrate with our friends and close ones and have a great time. I actually miss home a lot during festivals. Other days I'm just fine because we're just so busy with work. But in days of festivals like Diwali and Holi, it just feels so weird to not be home and be with my family and friends back home in India. I accidentally shaved my eyebrow. It looks weird. And before I forget, I'm just gonna fix it. One thing I can guarantee that by the end of today, my dress will be stained with something. I'm such a clumsy person. Something is gonna happen. Should we go crazy today and do something pink or yellow? Because it's a white outfit. We can do pink. You know what? We're gonna do pink eyeshadow today. It's gonna be fun. Let's start. I'm going to be using two palettes for my pink eyeshadow today. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Neon palette and the Dior Backstage palette in the color Rosewood Neutrals. So this one and this one. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with this shade as my base color. I haven't even washed my brushes. Today is a disaster. We have a really nice pink base color all over our eyes. Beautiful. Can you see the difference? We're gonna do exactly the same on the other eye. The only problem with this, oh my god, I'm already starting to stain my white pants. The only problem with this palette is it doesn't come with a mirror, so it's like difficult to use it, but it has some beautiful colors. Now we have a beautiful pink color base on both of our eyes. We're going to be moving to some dark colors. So we're going to be moving to this bright hot pink here and put it on the outer corner of our eyes. Oh god, I love the pink eye. It's been so long. And slowly blend it inwards. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we're going to be using this shade on the inner corners, not corners, but above the eyelids, but not really. Like this. By the way, I'm using the same brush because I cannot be bothered to change my brushes. It's all pink. Now we're done with that. We're going to be playing with some glitter, which is my favorite part. We have two types. This one is light pink glitter and that's like a little dark. So we're going to start with a little dark. You can't really see this color which on my eyelids because it's really soft and light. So we're going to be using this pink as well. With a different hand. You see a difference between the two? This is the lighter one, this is the darker one. So we just use this, now we're going to use this one. Oh my god, beautiful. You guys can already see my eyes shining. Now we're going to be taking off all the baking powder because our skin's like completely yellow. Gonna brush them off. You know, circular motion. Now we're gonna use a little thin brush. Yeah, this one's perfect. And it already has pink. We're gonna be taking the hot pink shade and putting it on our lower lash line. This one. I'm gonna be sharpening up the look by putting concealer diagonally and then blending it out. Like this. So you see it's sharper than this. Then we're going to do the exact same thing here. So we have two sharp lines which look way better. Now we're going to be doing blush. My pants are stained with blush. One thing I can guarantee that by the end of today, my dress will be stained with something. I'm such a clumsy person.
Something is gonna happen.
Look at that. Today is not a good day. Well, we have to change them. And I don't feel like filming anymore, guys. Guys, today is not a good day. I do not think I would want to film anymore because my pants are ruined. I'm not really sure about my makeup anymore, and I'm just like, I just really don't have a good mood, and I don't think you guys should be bearing with me, so. Bye, I will see you once I get ready. Hey guys, so my makeup is done. That's how we're looking today. I'm just feeling very, very down. But I think we'll be fine. I'm just gonna clear everything up. And I will see you after I change my pants because now they're stained.
Holi, everyone! Cheers. Cheers, guys.
No, but you can't taste any spice because there's no spice.
It's very spicy.
Oh my god, Maxime, it's not spicy.
It is.
Oh my god, it's okay, guys. Can you please hold our drinks, because it might fall. I'm doing another vlog.
I love when you're in the vlogs. It's just like makes me
Honestly, my appearances in the vlogs, they're always fuck. Because I'm always drunk.
You are my heart, and I will never ever ever be apart.
Oh my god. Nice! You fucker!
You had some yellow.
Subscribe to Mallika's channel.
Subscribe.
Saying subscribe to
Yeah, go subscribe to my channel.
subscribe to Mallika's channel, guys.
Good. Hey guys, I do not know if I actually made a vlog or not. It was a lot mess, but if I am able to put something out there, thank you so much for watching this far. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. And I will see you in my next Holi. But till then, happy Holi, have fun, much love. Bye.